Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing next to a real beauty of a plant. This is Delphinium caroliniensis. It is native to North Carolina, but it is native to from Virginia south to Florida, all the way west through Texas, and the seed for these actually came from Bastrop County in Texas. It's sometimes called prairie larkspur, and it looks very much like the common larkspur, which used to be in the genus Delphinium, but is now, well, it's gone through several name changes, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about Delphinium caroliniensis. Oh, it is carolinianum. I'm sorry. It is a short-lived perennial. Well, it goes completely dormant in the summer, totally disappears, comes back at some point over winter, but there's also new seedlings of it that will bloom that spring. And this is something we would never produce in the nursery and offer for sale because it's really hard in a pot with its summer dormancy and needing a really sharply drained soil. But it is something that we collect seed of, and that gives me the opportunity to talk about the Juniper Level membership program, because one of the benefits of being a member of Juniper Level Botanic Garden is that we offer seeds that we have collected from the garden, and they are usually very choice plants that we don't sell, and that would be hard to acquire otherwise unless you raise them from seed. So we do try to collect the seed of this beautiful native Delphinium. This year we offered it for the first time, and we quickly sold out of it. Well, didn't sell out of it since they're free to members. But we'll do a better job of collecting them. And if you do get them, the best way to sow it is just sprinkle it in the garden where you want it to grow. It's a lovely late spring thing, slender vertical that would fit in most places, and you can get a good sense of its tolerance of dry, well-drained soil, since this agave is trying to embrace it. So Delphinium carolinianum. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.